This is my review of the Syma S107g Metal Series Micro Helicopter. So this is what you get out of the kit. Now let's go on to the parts.
The first part of this ready-to-fly kit that I'm going to talk about is the charger. Now this charger is a USB connector, so you can connect to both your laptop to charge it or a wall outlet if you have the connector. Now the length of the cord for the charger is about 2.5 feet, which is a decent distance. And this little connector plugs straight to your helicopter, so you don't have to worry about taking a battery out and plugging it to the battery. You just plug it right inside of the helicopter. Now the only downside about this charger is that since it's so small, it takes forever to charge. It can take 45 minutes to an hour for one charge that's only about a 10-minute flight time. Now to the next portion. The next part of this set is this radio system. Now this is infrared radio system, so it's sending an infrared stream straight to the helicopter. This isn't like most, which is a radio controlled. This is infrared, so it's not going to work very well outside because the sun's rays can interfere. Now the left stick is just a standard throttle, up and down for more and less throttle. The right stick, you have your forward, backward, left and right. Not like tilt left and right, but it'll turn left and right. Now, this knob down here is your trim knob, so you can trim it if it's spinning one way or the other. You have your on and off switch with a green light here that will tell you if it's on or off, of course. And you have 2 channels, which means you can fly 2 helicopters at once. Now, this controller also comes with in-controller chargers. So you can charge the helicopter straight from the controller also, along with being able to charge it from that USB charger I mentioned earlier.
So now for the part you've all been waiting for, the heli. So it's a very sleek looking heli with this nice little plastic shell-ish thing right here, which conceals the battery, which, if I can move these props, is right down in there. And then it's also made out of full metal. The reason for that is durability, and they can make parts a lot more precise. So it has a charging port right here, and then its on-off switch is right over here. When you power on this heli, you'll get a nice fluorescent blue and red light. So it has 2 engines that power the counter-rotating props, and it also has a flybar. It has another smaller engine in the back that controls this prop, which controls your forward and backward motion. This copter has really good stability and nice landing gear. It looks like it will be really stable in the air, especially with flybar and all that. Well, that's really all there is about the boring stuff. Let's go fly. This is the flight portion of my review of the Syma S107g Metal Series Micro Heli. So, it has a very stable flight. This is one-handed. Oh, drifted out of view. So it has a little bit of drift, but that flybar really does its job. This is one-handed. And then it doesn't have that much speed. Or much lift overall, which makes it really good for a beginner to learn how to fly. And overall, for the price, I don't think there's a micro heli that can beat it. It's really fun, even though I'm more experienced and I like flying faster moving objects, it's still really fun for me to just fly. And I can even bump into walls like I've been doing and crash, and no problems. Starts up perfectly. See you next time.